If you're getting an Epic Games error when signing in, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because of server problems, a bad launcher cache, an incorrect system clock, VPN conflicts, DNS issues, or even a temporary account login problem. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, before changing anything on your computer, check the Epic Games server status. Open your browser and visit the official Epic Games status page. If the login service is down, the problem is not on your device, and you'll need to wait until Epic restores access. This step is important because it saves you from wasting time trying fixes that won't work while the servers are offline. If the servers look fine, the next thing to do is clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This fixes a lot of sign-in problems caused by corrupted temporary files. To do that, completely close the launcher first. Make sure it is not just minimized. Check the system tray near the clock, right-click the Epic Games launcher icon, and exit it fully. Now press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open the save folder. Inside that folder, look for the web cache folder and delete it. This removes old cached login data and forces the launcher to rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After that, restart the Epic Games Launcher and try signing in again. If the error still appears, move on to the next fix, which is syncing your system clock. This might seem small, but an incorrect date or time can block authentication because Epic's login system expects your computer's time to be accurate. To fix that, open Windows Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Make sure your time zone is correct, and then click Sync Now. After the clock updates, try launching Epic Games again and sign in one more time. If you still can't get in, try logging in through the web version of Epic Games. Open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Sign in there using the same account. If the website login works but the launcher does not, then the issue is probably local to the launcher itself, not your account. Another very common cause is a VPN. If you have any VPN software running, turn it off completely and try again. VPNs can mask your location or trigger security checks that prevent Epic from completing the login process. Even if your VPN is not the main problem, disabling it is a quick and easy test. Next, it's a good idea to flush your DNS. This clears outdated network information that might be interfering with the connection. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once you see the confirmation message, close the window and try signing in again. If the login issue still continues, use the Forgot Your Password option on the sign-in screen. Sometimes refreshing your password resets the session and clears account authentication problems. Follow the password reset process carefully, then return to the launcher and test the login again with the updated credentials. One final fix that often helps is running the Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right-click the launcher shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to complete the sign-in process properly, especially if Windows security settings are blocking part of the connection. So to recap, the main fixes are check the Epic server status, clear the launcher cache, sync your system clock, try logging in on the website, disable your VPN, flush DNS, reset your password if needed, and run the launcher as administrator. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Epic Games sign-in error. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.